Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet half double crochet stitches from front loop. Take tail of yarn, fix this yarn with thumb. Insert your hook under this yarn. Take this yarn and pull up yarn. Tie yarn. Take hook and yarn with these fingers. Work by these fingers. This is in right hand and left hand. Take hook, take yarn. Like this. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make a chain. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make a chain. And continue to chaining. I made 10 chains in here. Add 2 more chains. To start, make half double crochet. Skip 2 chains, 2 chains. Yarn over, go to this chain, insert your hook into this chain, yarn over, pull up yarn. Now we have 1, 2, 3 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together. Yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. Yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, and make half double crochet stitches. Make half double crochet from front loop. After first row, make 1, 2 chains, turn it. We have 2 loops in top of this stitch. This is front loop, this is back loop. Front loops, back loops. Now I show how to make half double crochet stitch from front loop, this loop. Take front loop on your hook, make a loop, pull through 3 yarns, make 1 half double crochet on front loop, yarn over, take front loop like this. This is front loop, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, and continue like this. Yarn over, take front loop, make a loop, pull through 3 yarns together, make 1, 2 chains, turn it, yarn over, take these loops and make 1/2 double crochet. Make 1/2 double crochet from front loops. Make 2 chains and continue same as before row. This is half double crochet from front loop.